Hey, place both hands above your head.
Hey, do not reach for anything.
Let me see your hands.
Send the dog, send the dog, send the dog.
Let me see your hands.
Move it, move it.
Again.
Firearm beanbag.
He's got the gun in hand.
Drop the gun or you're gonna get shot.
On September 23rd at approximately 6:30 a.m., a 911 call was placed to the San Diego Police Department. The caller, an employee at Fay Elementary School, reported a man trespassing on school grounds. During the call, the situation escalated.
And any weapons seen on him at all?
Give me 1 second.
Yeah.
It looks like he has a firearm next to him, ma'am.
Okay. And does he have it like in his hand, or is it just sitting next to him?
No, it's sitting next to him. I'm on the phone with the police right now.
Okay. Just hang on the line with me, all right? Was it like a shotgun, a handgun?
Yes, ma'am. I just saw it. It looks like a handgun.
SDPD officers arrived on the 4000 block of 52nd Street and located the man, identified as 41-year-old Huy Ly. Officers attempt to communicate with Ly in both English and Vietnamese, but he did not comply with commands.
Hey, go. Drop what's in your hands.
Hold on. All right.
Hey, who's got less lethal?
I got a taser out, McGill. Hey!
Drop what's in your hands or you will be shot.
You!
Drop it.
Liam! Liam!
Yep.
You want to translate for us? At least attempt to?
Is it me?
For several minutes, officers continued their de-escalation attempts. Officer number 2 then deployed less lethal beanbag rounds and a K-9 unit, but both tactics were ineffective in gaining his compliance.
Hey, place both hands above your head.
Hey, do not reach for anything.
Watch them. Place both hands above your head.
All right, here we go. Hey, impact him with the beanbag and assess for compliance.
Watch them.
You ready?
Yep, on you.
Firearm beanbag.
Hey, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands.
Send the dog, send the dog, send the dog.
Let me see your hands.
Move it, move it.
Fuss.
Don't move.
Right there, fuss. Fuss. Fuss.
Calm back.
Follow.
He's moving.
Here. Easy, dude. Right there, follow. Yep. We're here. Red car.
Hey, beanbag, come up here.
Hey, get on the ground. You're gonna get bit.
Impact him again if you can.
Hey, don't reach for that. Put your hands above your head.
When officer number 2 deployed 2 more beanbag rounds, Ly began to run northbound through an alley. During the foot pursuit, Ly retrieved an object from his waistband.
Impact him.
Just make sure we have that second canine.
Firearm beanbag.
Grab the dog.
Follow.
Again.
Firearm beanbag.
Running.
Grab a shot. Drop the gun!
He reached the end of the alley and ran onto Orange Avenue, still holding what appeared to be a firearm. As he ran, he turned his body toward the pursuing officers. In response, Officer Ruiz and Officer Bassin discharged their service weapons.
Drop the gun!
Units en route, response to 3.
Drop the gun or you're gonna get shot! Drop the gun or you're gonna get shot!
Shots fired on Orange, 52nd and Orange. So far, shots fired, 52nd and Orange. Units en route, response to 3.
Drop the gun or you're gonna get shot! Drop the gun or you're gonna get shot! Move!
Officers provided medical aid, including CPR, until San Diego Fire Rescue personnel arrived, but he was pronounced deceased at the scene. Upon close examination by investigators, the firearm was determined to be a replica. A knife was also recovered from the alley where he was first contacted. Under California Assembly Bill 1506, the California Department of Justice is the lead agency investigating this incident. The San Diego Police Department's Internal Affairs Unit and the Shooting Review Board will also conduct their own separate administrative investigations.